In light of Safety Week 2016, our team here at Park 35 in Birmingham, Alabama has decided to create this video to highlight the system we have used to ensure the safety of our wood framing subcontractors during their installation of floor trusses and floor decking. Although this video will not cover all the potential hazards of wood framing as a whole, we do intend for it to provide a better understanding of this specific process and a way to defend against the risk associated with it. As our organization continues to grow and face new challenges, we hope this video can serve as a tool on future jobs and illustrates that a commitment to learning and planning can assist you in creating good defenses in your safety management systems.
Before beginning work, you should always first conduct a proper job safety analysis, or JSA. The JSA for this process includes reviewing proper PPE, inspect all fall protection equipment, inspect ladders and review ladder safety, inspect all tools and electrical cords. One specific item highlighted in this JSA is the correct anchor for this system. Pictured here is a standard roof anchor, commonly referred to as a butterfly anchor. This anchor allows for 15 degrees of movement in the following directions. Since the anchor will be attached to a floor truss with employees working perpendicular to the direction of the truss, these anchors are not sufficient for this specific process. Instead, an anchor like the one pictured here should be used. The O-ring attached to the chain allows the anchor to be used for 360 degrees of movement, which is necessary because of the employees working perpendicular to the direction of the truss. When attaching any anchors, it is important to follow the manufacturer's recommendations. For this specific anchor from DBI Sala, you must use these screws or nails. After completing the JSA, walls can now be raised and braced. For this system, it is important to build and attach guardrails onto the walls before walls are raised. This is a great example of safe production. These guardrails will serve as swing fall protection during the setting of the floor trusses and will also serve as the perimeter guardrails for decking, popping lines, and other work in the area. It is also important to leave a gap in the handrail the width of the forklift boom to allow trusses to be set onto the walls. Once all of the walls have been raised, they should be plumbed and straightened to ensure that the walls are square and the trusses can be installed correctly. During the building of the walls, it is important to install guardrails in the window openings. A single guardrail will not provide adequate fall protection when working from a ladder near these openings. One way to defend against the secondary fall exposure is to add guardrails at proper heights in relation to the size of the opening. This will protect the employees during wall erection and will also protect other contractors needing to perform future work from ladders near these openings. Once the walls have been plumbed and straightened, truss layout should be done from a ladder. After truss layout is complete, the first 3 trusses can now be set. It is important to use 3 trusses as this will provide adequate support to attach your anchor. Giving proper signals to the operator, have them lift and place the trusses where they can be received from a ladder. Lay these trusses face down on the walls. Signal the forklift out of the area and begin installing these trusses from a ladder. Install a sheet of plywood at every anchor position. Place the anchor on the sheet of plywood and ensure that the anchor is nailed or screwed to the middle truss for proper support. Attach the retractable to the anchor and this piece of fall protection system is now ready for use. You must install anchors in each room so you can lay down trusses evenly to eliminate swing fall hazard. After installing the first 3 trusses and fall protection, the remaining trusses can now be installed. Giving proper signals to the operator, have them lift and place the trusses where they can be received from a ladder. Place these trusses upright in a bundle on the walls and then properly signal the forklift operator out of the area. From an extension ladder, connect the retractable to your full body harness and then access the area. One by one, begin laying the trusses face down, starting with the truss nearest your anchor. Laying the trusses down in this order eliminates the fall hazard towards your anchor and also serves as a limited work platform on the ends of each truss. In order to defend against swing fall to the interior room, a handrail must be placed along the exterior of the room you are currently working in, or trusses must be laid evenly in the interior room as well. In order to continue laying trusses in this room, a handrail was installed to provide swing fall protection. Once swing fall protection has been provided, the remaining trusses can be laid down. After all the trusses have been placed, start standing up and installing the trusses, working back towards your anchor. Once trusses have been installed, the decking process may begin.
So that wraps us up for today. I want to give a special thanks to the Park 35 team for making this possible. Once again, we hope this can serve you as a tool in the future. And thanks again for watching. Stay safe, guys.